Hi, this is Mr. Menifee with Forensic Science, and this is going to be blood scene stains second set, okay? We're going to follow the same format as before. You need to make sure that you are documenting on what kind of blood stain it is. Tell me why you know it's that kind of blood stain. And then again, you're going to also tell me what the time stamp is. Where is it located in the video so I can go back and double check your work. So let's go ahead and get on with the first one. Okay, so we're looking at a few blood stains we have not seen before, and so this is going to be our first one. So please observe what is going on. What are the things that we have going on here? We have about a few things going on. And it just keeps pouring, pouring, and pouring. All right, so that is the first set. There's a few things there. At least 4 are listed there. Okay, so let's move on to the next set. So here we are with blood stain number 2. Obviously, we have a lot of pooling going on, but what else do we have going on here? Okay. What else do we have going on? All right. All right, so sometimes, well, some blunt force comes into play when you're dealing with blood. And so we're going to take a look and see what the effects of this is and see if you can tell me what type of spatter this is. Okay, so what type of spatter, if I'm hitting right here, what type of spatter am I dealing with? All right. So what type of spatter, what type of patterns do you see forming here? Okay, so now we're taking a look at the pattern here. What kind of pattern do we see? What does this pattern tell us about this individual? What kind of blood stain are we looking at here? Okay, all right. Let's move on to our next one. All right, so this is one type of spatter we have to be very well aware of. It involves high-speed machinery and occasionally firearms. So I just want you to identify what this type of spatter is, and hopefully we're not going to get any of this fake blood on Mr. Sanchez's camera. This is what I like to call the fake glove or the love glove. It's currently full of blood, and let's see what happens. All right, so what would we call that pattern on the inside of our friendly neighborhood blender here? What would we call that pattern? And this is what I like to call stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. What pattern do we call this? Oh. What do we call that pattern?